If you're passionate about baking or frequently prepare large meals for family and friends, the KitchenAid 7 Quart Bowl-Lift Stand Mixer is one of the most capable stand mixers available today. Combining KitchenAid's legendary durability with a powerful motor, generous bowl capacity, and versatile accessories, this mixer is designed to tackle everything from delicate meringues to dense bread dough with ease. But is it worth the investment? Let's take a closer look. One of the first things you'll notice is the mixer's premium construction. Built with a zinc die-cast metal body and a durable stainless steel 7-quart bowl, it feels incredibly solid and stable. Even when mixing heavy bread doughs, the bowl lift design keeps everything firmly in place while reducing vibration. The elegant pistachio finish also adds a stylish touch that complements both modern and classic kitchens. The biggest advantage of this model is its impressive 7-quart capacity. That's enough space to mix up to 13 dozen cookies in a single batch. Need more than 8.5 pounds of bread dough or mash over 7.5 pounds of potatoes. Whether you're meal prepping, baking for holidays, or running a small home baking business, the generous bowl size allows you to prepare large quantities without constantly stopping to refill. Performance is equally impressive. Powered by a 500-watt motor, the mixer delivers consistent power across 11 distinct speed settings. Unlike many stand mixers that jump from low to medium too quickly, KitchenAid includes an innovative 1x2 speed specifically designed for folding delicate ingredients such as whipped egg whites, fresh berries, or chocolate chips in a batter without overmixing. This level of control makes the mixer suitable for both beginners and experienced bakers who want precision in every recipe. For heavier mixing jobs, the higher speed settings effortlessly handle thick cookie dough, pizza dough, sourdough, brioche, and bagel dough. The bowl lift mechanism also provides additional stability compared to tilt head models, making it particularly effective for demanding recipes that require extended kneading times. KitchenAid includes an excellent selection of accessories with this model. Inside the box, you'll find a 7-quart stainless steel bowl, coated flat beater, coated dough hook, 11-wire whip, pouring shield, and one of the standout features the double flex edge beater. The double flex edge beater significantly improves mixing performance by using two flexible scraping edges that continuously wipe the sides of the bowl while mixing. This minimizes the need to stop and manually scrape ingredients from a bowl, resulting in better ingredient incorporation and smoother batters. It's a thoughtful upgrade that saves time while improving consistency. The coated dough hook performs exceptionally well with yeast doughs, evenly developing gluten without placing unnecessary strain on the motor. Meanwhile, the 11-wire whip quickly incorporates air into egg whites, whipped cream, frosting, and mousse, producing light, fluffy textures with minimal effort. Another reason KitchenAid continues to dominate the stand mixer market is versatility. Beyond mixing and baking, this machine can become a complete kitchen workstation thanks to KitchenAid's wide range of optional hub attachments. With separately available accessories, the mixer can grind meat, make fresh pasta, spiralize vegetables, juice fruits, shred cheese, and much more. This expandability transforms it from a simple stand mixer into a multi-function kitchen appliance. Ease of use is another strong point. The bowl locking mechanism feels secure, attaching and removing the bowl smoothly while preventing movement during heavy mixing. The speed control knob is simple to operate, and changing attachments is quick and intuitive. Cleanup is equally convenient, with many of the included accessories being easy to wash after use. Real-world users consistently praise the mixer's power and reliability. One customer regularly prepares large batches of sourdough and bagels, noting that the motor handles dense dough effortlessly without showing signs of strain. They also appreciated the secure bowl locking system, easy cleanup, and described the mixer as a lifetime kitchen investment well worth its price. Another reviewer offered a simpler but equally meaningful endorsement, expressing continued satisfaction with KitchenAid products and praising the consistent quality the brand has delivered over the years. Of course, there are a few considerations before purchasing. The 7-quart bowl-lift model is larger and heavier than many tilt-head mixers, so it requires sufficient countertop space. Its premium build and larger capacity also come with a higher price tag than entry-level stand mixers. However, for users who bake frequently or prepare large batches, the added capacity and durability easily justify the investment. Overall, the KitchenAid 7 Quart Bowl-Lift Stand Mixer is an outstanding appliance for serious home cooks, passionate bakers, and anyone who regularly prepares food in large quantities. Its powerful motor, impressive bowl capacity, excellent accessory package, durable construction, and precise speed control make it one of the best stand mixers in its class. If you're looking for a dependable mixer that can handle everything from delicate cake batter to heavy artisan bread dough for years to come, the KitchenAid 7 Quart Bowl-Lift Stand Mixer is a fantastic choice and a worthy centerpiece for any kitchen.